Today we're making homemade strawberry jam. It's fresh, fruity and perfect for spring. This easy strawberry jam recipe uses simple ingredients and comes together quickly, making it ideal for breakfast spreads, desserts or baking. Start with half a kilo of fresh strawberries. Remove the green tops by either cutting them off with a knife or simply pulling them off by hand to reduce waste. Wash the strawberries thoroughly and put them in the bowl. Cut the strawberries into quarters, then transfer them into a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water and 190 grams of sugar to the pan. Place it on the stove over medium-high heat and allow the strawberries to soften and release their natural juices. Stir occasionally to prevent the mixture from sticking or burning at the bottom. As the strawberries cook down, they will begin to break apart. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. Add a small amount of red food coloring if you want a brighter, more vibrant jam. Pour this mixture onto the saucepan and stir well. Let the jam cook for another 2 to 4 minutes until it thickens further and reaches your desired consistency. And there you have it, a fresh homemade strawberry jam that's sweet, vibrant and perfect for spreading on toast or adding to desserts. If you enjoy this easy jam recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade recipes, and let me know your favorite fruit jam in the comments.